Our class is on the part of wave. Today we discuss about the beats. About the beats or beat. See, in the our class going on the a mechanical wave. That one is the stationary wave and the most progressive wave. In this case, take a two waves. This one is the second one is two waves, first two wave and this one is the two waves have a similarly are nearest frequency. These two have a nearest frequency. It means take as small in the nearly two same frequencies. These two waves in the medium propagated in the same direction. Its resultant given in the intensity of a resultant intensity of the resultant wave is the taken as sometimes waxing, means maximum, and sometimes waning, it means minimum. It means when the two waves have the nearest frequencies is a propagate in the medium in the same direction, then it is resultant of the wave. It is resultant of the wave of the intensity. Main concentration and intensity is at the some place it's waxing and some place is waning. Means the intensity of this resultant wave is decreasing and increasing. This resultant we will show like as. It means up to this one mode and up to this one mode and up to this one mode. See, in this case the intensity of the resultant wave at some place, in this place is a maximum, in this place is a minimum. This is the waxing, this is the waning. This phenomena means the intensity of the resultant wave is decreasing or increasing. This phenomena we will call as beats. It is also application or the result of the superposition principle. In this case also used as superposition principle. Take like as a mathematical description of this one is, for example, first wave have displacement y equal to a cos omega t for first one, and y2 equal to a cos omega 2 for this one is 2. The resultant wave y equal to y1 plus y2, it means a cos omega t plus a cos omega t. Take as this one is like b cos omega t. So b cos omega t. This one is cos a plus cos b. You already know cos a cos b equal to 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus cos a plus b by 2. So in this case we will write as suppose Okay, This one is omega A, this one is omega B. This is also same A, same A. Then A is taken as outside 2A, means cos omega A minus omega B by 2 into T plus cos omega A plus omega B by 2 into T. See, in this case, this is also application of the superposition principle. Say for example, the wave, first one wave is the displacement y1 equal to A cos omega t, omega A t. Second one is y2 equal to A cos omega B t. Then the resultant of this displacement y1 equal to y2, so A cos omega t cos B. This is cos A plus cos A plus cos B. This is the formula. Then we will get this equation. In this case, see 2A cos omega capital A into T cos omega capital B into T. Take as omega A equal to small a small b by 2, omega B equal to by 2. See, the magnitude of double A minus double B is the less than double A. The condition, it is double A is double magnitude of double A minus double B means omega A minus omega B less than or equal to omega A. It is indicated as capital omega B is greater than omega A. This is the for this. This is for this. This indicates. So these two equations clearly shows the intensity is sometimes is maximum and sometimes is minimum. This phenomena we will call as beats. Use of the beats is uses of these beats in commonly used in our daily life. That one is first one is find the unknown frequency or turning fork. Find the unknown frequency. It is whatever sound wave or a turning fork. Second one is the find the dangerous gases in mines. You find the dangerous gases. And another one is used in cinematography and used in the musical instruments. These beats are generally used to find the unknown frequency of the sound wave or turning fork and find the dangerous gases in the mines, used for the cinematography, for the graphics or sound. Sometimes like fights times sound is like as a big one, and then sometimes in the songs the sound is clearly and slowly. This is used of the beats, and another is the musical instruments also used in these beats. This is the use of beats. The generally in the beats frequency nearly F equal to N1 approximately N2. This is most important formula for the solving of the problem. The frequency equal to N1 approximately nearest to N2. I given one problem at the last of this video. See, observe, and based on this formula. This is about the today class of beats. Let's say in the example problem of 1.6, two Sitara singing A and B, playing the note, it means frequency sound, the are slightly out of the tune and produce beats frequently 5 edges. The tension of the string B is slightly increased. The beat frequency is found to decrease to 3 Hz. What is the original frequency of the B? If the frequency of A is 427 Hz. See, the answer is increase in the tension of the string, increase its frequency. It means the frequency F equal to 1 by 2 L under root of T by mu. In this formula gives as if the tension is increased, also get also frequency also increase. Thus is the of this sentence. If the original frequency of VB were greater than that of the VA, further increase in the VB should have result in the increase in the beat frequency, but the beat frequency is found to be decreased. Already given in the formula, the found decrease to 2 edges. This is sentence tell about this one. And then but the beat frequency is found decreases. This shows that VB is less than or equal to VA, since VA minus VB equal to 5 edges and VA equal to 427 edges. So VA minus VB equal to how much? 5 edges. What is the value of VA? VA equal to 427 minus VB equal to 5. So VB take as this side and 5 it bring on this side. 427 minus 5 equal to VB. Then it is result VB equal to 422. This is the answer. Okay.